time to unite. I'm here with another Graham Snacks. Today I have for you, this is the Blue Diamond Almonds. This is the hint of sea salt version. Believe it or not, I am not going behind the camera. I could if it was this side. I have this side now. I never did it from this side before. What do you think of this side, folks? We're getting too many people. We're going to start doing this outside or something. Right?
Grab it on the run. There we go.
Settle down.
Run, Forrest.
I'm running. I'm on the run. Get it? You calm your tits, lady.
No one like.
I know. But yeah, we're going to open these and let us know what I thought. Because these, believe it or not, they don't taste that bad. We had tried the pepper jack version and the sriracha version, and they are both really good. And they taste just like peppers.
What a weird smell.
Yeah, they do.
They taste, but they taste kind of. They taste
Kind of
good.
smells like the rice cookies.
Right. When you taste them, though. It messes with your mind
Yeah.
because it's made out of almonds and still pecker.
I can kind of taste the almond.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I know that's.
They're not bad by any means, though.
But
To me, they taste better than rice cakes. And they taste better than rice
it's
cakes.
kind of bland, though.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You know, it tastes. It just.
I mean, I guess those have like half of the sodium because it's just low sodium. That's probably the reason why.
Well, and also the sea salt.
Right.
Sea salt is actually a healthier version of
Right.
actual salt,
Right.
of the iodized salt.
Mm-hmm.
So, basically, it's not as salty
It's okay.
that
Just a little bit.
you would if you use the big, like,
Right.
cardboard container of salt.
Right.
Alright, so what'd you give it?
Me?
You know, just scale.
4.
As far as taste,
Give it
4.
4. I would do 3.
Three?
3.
Yeah,
3.
I would go with 3.
Okay.
But you.
We have a couple threes. Just because I know this is what they're going for, the hint of sea salt and stuff, I think it's true to its name.
Right, yeah.
So, knowing that, I'm going to go 4 out of 4. Because, like I said, low sodium choice. It's definitely low sodium.
Mhm.
It would be better with more salt, I'll give you that much. But other than that, I think it has a good crunch, good flavor, just needs more salt.
Right.
But yeah, there you have it, another episode of Graham Snacks. We'll see you on the next one.